Hello everyone. All right, real quickly, we're going to go over how to do one problem for each one of these sections on your homework tonight, which is to do the second part of the study guide, and I'll go ahead and put up a copy of it on my blog. So right here, we went over this in class today. State if the three numbers can be sides of a triangle. So right here, we are using the triangle inequality theorem, and that means that we choose the two shortest sides. So we have to choose the shortest plus the short side. Added together have to be greater than the longest side in order for the triangle to be a true triangle. So what that means is for number 8, we're going to choose the two shortest sides. So 7, 5, and 4. Well, 5 and 4 are the smallest numbers. So we add those together. Those have to be greater than 7. That's a 7. All right? So 4 plus 5 is 9. Is 9 greater than 7? Yes. So this would be a true triangle. So for 9 and 10, you're going to choose the two smallest sides. So here, 4, 1, 5. You're going to choose 4 and 1. Add them together, and it has to be greater than. It can't be equal to. It has to be greater than. And here, 2, 2, and 1. Well, 1 is definitely the shortest, and we need another side. So these two added together have to be greater than this number. All right, right here, the angles in a triangle must always add up to 180 degrees. Always. So it says here, list the missing angle of the triangle. So if we know that one angle is 30, plus, because remember we're adding, 30 plus 60, do we know the side of the third angle? Because a triangle always has three angles. So if one is 30, one is 60, I need to find the missing angle. So when we don't know a value, we use x, and it always equals to 180 for a triangle. So from here, you would solve for x. The same thing here. There's always three angles, so you're going to have three angles that equal 180. It gives you 2, so 75 plus 12 plus x equals 180. You have to find the missing angle. All right, number 14, you are asked to draw a triangle using 3 of the following angles, so you have to choose 3 of these. Which triangle cannot exist? So that's saying, out of these options, if we add these up, do they equal 180? If we add these up, do they equal 180? If we add these up and these up, which one does not equal 180? Because if you add these up and they do not equal 180, it can't be a triangle, right? 15, 16, and 17, a cross-section is a 2D shape made when slicing a 3D shape. So these are the videos with the sand where we cut them. This is a rectangular prism. When we cut and we open it up, this is a horizontal cut, so when we open it up, what shape is going to be made here? And you can see it. For this one, when we cut a cone and we opened it up this way, what shape is here? For our cylinder, when we cut it vertically and open it up, what shape are we going to see? And all you're doing is writing the name. The last one is circumference, and we know that circumference is the distance around a circle. It's the perimeter. It tells you the formulas right here. Circumference. We have two options. So for this one, we have the radius, because the radius goes from the center to the perimeter of the circle. So we're going to use the formula for circumference that has radius in it. You're going to plug in what you know and solve for the circumference. For this one, we know the diameter. So we're going to use the formula with diameter. Plug in what you know and solve for the circumference. I have videos up on my blog if you need more help than that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.